Hello everyone. Today we're gonna discuss about units, okay, in AutoCAD. Just firstly click on Start Drawings. Okay. Whenever you're using AutoCAD in new file, you must set some commands like that. Means starting itself. That commands were units. First one is units, okay, and next one is limits, and then set your status bar like this, okay. That's what I recommend you. And firstly let's start units, and what is the command for units is un, okay. You can see here un means units. Click on enter for units, okay. And then in units there are two types, okay. For setting units there are two types. One is if you are an architectural, you must set the unit length type as architectural, okay. If you are a civil engineer, when you are doing in meters metric like that, you must set it this one as decimal, okay. And we can see engineering, fractional and scientific. These three things were additional: electrical engineer, mechanical engineer, and IT like that, some of the things. And these things were additional, which is not applicable for our civil engineers, okay. Okay, we can call architectural as imperial also, which US based companies used to use mostly, and Indian also, okay. Just click on architecture, okay. After clicking on architecture, you can see precision means the lowest unit, okay, lowest number in that unit. For that lowest number you must set 0 feet, 0 1 by 16 inch. 1 by 16 inch means that's the least one, which we can see in welding things, okay. Weld size means 3 by 16 like that weld size, and 2 by 1 by 8 like that, okay. You can see and click on here, okay. Precision should be 1 by 16 inch. And when coming to angle type, you must set it as default as decimal degrees, so there is no need to change. When coming to precision, 0 is not the perfect thing. Why? Because there may be some points, so we must consider that points too. And for that I'm just considering 0.00, okay. And after that, when coming to insertion scale, what is meant by insertion scale means for the architecture you must set inches or feet. Mostly what we are going to use in this column rows like that, you're going to see here inches, feet, and millimeters and centimeters and meters, okay, sometimes kilometers. But mostly as a civil engineer, what we're gonna see is as architecture, what we're gonna use is inches and feet, okay. If you are setting these units in architectural, you must set it perfectly like inches or feet, not millimeters, okay. I recommend you to use inches, okay. That's a perfect thing. And click on this. And when coming to lightning, this is by default you must set it as international is enough, okay. And then click on OK. Before clicking on OK, there is a default setting in this that's called direction. You can see in this direction there is a base angle, means the angle will be rotated like this anti-clockwise, okay. 0, 45, 90, 135, 180, 225, and 270 like that, okay. 225 or 235, okay. And east, okay, east. And click on OK. Keep it as default everything, and click on OK. And let me draw a line. For that line you must click a command called line for line. The command is L, enter, okay. Click on what it is showing is specify first point. I'm going to teach you in another class, next class I'm going to teach you the commands. For this class I'm just setting only units, okay. And click on the first one, okay. And I'm just typing 100 feet, okay. 100 feet. You can see here that's 100 feet, and click on enter. And you can see, and click on enter or escape as your wish. Okay. And I just want to measure the dimension. How to measure the dimension is simplest way is just enter the command di. Di means distance. Okay. And click on the first one and click on the second one. Just don't click it, just place that one, and you can see the 100 feet. 100 feet is more than enough, I think so. Okay. And now let me change the units to metric. Okay. For that, just go to UN, means units means UN. Okay. And click on enter. In these units, just change the line type to decimal. Okay. Change to decimal. And when you change the decimal, you can see here precision itself has changed. Okay. From 1 by 16 to 0.0000. Let me tell you, the precision should be 0.000, and after point you must have 4 zeros. Okay. And click on this one. And after that, angle must be type is decimal degrees is enough. Okay. And then precision as a default, as said earlier, 0.00. Okay. Just click it, this one. And when coming to insertion scale, you must change. Why? Because in decimal you must place metric system. Metric means meters or millimeters, centimeters or kilometers. In most of the civil constructions, what we use is millimeters or meters. But if you want to draw uh, the dimension to the overall, you must use meters. Okay. If in case if you want to measure the small uh, chairs or table or anything, in that case you can use millimeters. Okay. Okay, change to meters. Okay, meters, and give it as default. International and direction also default east only, and click on OK. Okay, let's draw a line. Click on L and enter, and you can see there's a lot. And let me enter 100, and let me zoom in and click on enter. After clicking on enter, you can see firstly you must notice the distance. For that distance you must type di, means distance. Click on enter and click on the first one and click on, don't click but just place it, and you can see 100 means 100 meters. Okay, and that's it. And that's it guys for units for today. Next class, in next class I'm going to discuss with you about setting up limits and status bar and many more things and commands. Let's go. And I hope you enjoy this video. Stay tuned for next video. Okay, until then, bye bye.